Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about a very important and fundamental building block in analog circuits, that is operational amplifier. In short, operational amplifier is called op-amp. So let's begin. Introduction to operational amplifier. Operational amplifier eliminates the limitations of basic amplifiers. Let us see some of the limitations of basic amplifiers. One is low input impedance, moderate gain, and moreover it amplifies the noise that is present at the input. That noise may be environmental noise, thermal noise, and any other noise. Op-amp has got characteristics that closely approach the assumed ideal characteristics. This is one of the important significant feature of operational amplifier. Amplifiers built with op-amps work with DC voltages as well. This we may not observe with the amplifiers which were built with discrete devices. They are useful in sensor applications, for example, in the measurement of temperature, pressure, etc. Operational amplifier is an integrated circuit that comes up with an 8-pin package. Look at the circuit symbol of the operational amplifier that is shown here. It has got two input terminals. One is shown with negative symbol and it is called as inverting input. Another is shown with positive symbol and it is called a non-inverting input. It has got two power supply terminals. One is represented with V plus, another is represented with V minus. There is also an output terminal located at pin number 6. As a whole, it is understood that a minimum of 5 terminals are required for an operational amplifier to perform its function if it is having two power supply terminals. Let us look at the circuit function of the op-amp. The relation between the output voltage and the input voltage is as given below. V0 is equal to A into V plus minus V minus, where V plus is the voltage tied to plus terminal, V minus is the voltage tied to minus terminal. Here V plus minus V minus is represented with a differential input voltage, where A is open loop gain. Op-amp has differential input and single-ended output. Differential input meaning applying VID in between V plus and V minus, that is applying the input as V plus minus V minus is what is the differential input. Single-ended output means taking the output at the node represented here with respect to the ground. Let us look at the equivalent circuit of op-amp. It consists of input resistance Ri across which the voltage is Vi. It also has a dependent voltage source AV times Vi in series with an output resistance R0. This circuit will be very much helpful to us in the analysis of op-amp circuits. Let us consider two important rules which will be helping us a lot in the analysis of op-amp circuits. One such rule is current drawn by either of the input terminals is zero because input resistance is infinity. This is a very significant rule that is being frequently used in the analysis of op-amp circuit. In the diagram, it is shown that current entering into the plus terminal is 0, current entering into the negative terminal is 0. The second rule is a virtual short. The input-output relationship of a given op-amp is as shown here. V0 is equal to A into V plus minus V minus, where V plus minus V minus is called as differential input voltage. For a given finite output, VID is equal to V0 by A and is equal to 0 because A is infinity. A is called open loop gain of the op-amp when it is infinity, meaning op-amp is said to be ideal. That means for an ideal op-amp, VID is 0, from which we can conclude that V plus is equal to V minus. That means V plus is equal to V minus is what is called virtual short concept. That means though V plus and V minus are not physically connected through a wire, but still they are said to be at same potential. That is why it is called virtual short. A subpart of this virtual short is what is called a virtual ground, meaning suppose if V plus is grounded physically, then V minus will be at a zero potential, which is what is called a virtual ground, which is coming out of the virtual short concept. These two rules, one which we have seen earlier and this virtual short concept, are very important, which will be frequently used in the analysis of op-amp circuits.